Hello everyone. Today I'm going to compare the major English dialects, American English and British English. Understanding this difference helps improve listening skills, adapt to real-world communication, and recognize how pronunciation changes across the regions. I'll be focusing on British English and American English, comparing vowel shifts, consonants, changes, elisions, assimilations, strokes, and intonation. Let's start. Let's start vowel shifts. The first, in American English, mask. In British English, mask. Now the second, in American English, chance. In British English, chance. Now the third, in American English, ask. In British English, ask. Now the fourth, in American English, example. Example. In British English, example. Now let's start consonant articulation. The first, car. Car. In British English, car. Car. Now the second, in American English, better. Better. In British English, better. Better. Now the third, in American English, advertisement. Advertisement. In British English, advertisement. Advertisement. Now the fourth, in American English, finale. Finale. In British English, finale. 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 Now let's start diphthongs. The first, in American English, how. How. In British English, home. Home. Now the second, in American English, go. Go. In British English, go. Go. Now word tracks. The first, in American English, butter. Butter. In British English, butter. Butter. Now the second, in American English, tomato. Tomato. In British English, tomato. Tomato. Now let's start intonation. The first, in American English, are you coming? Are you coming? In British English, are you coming? Are you coming? Now the second, in American English, where are you going? Where are you going? In British English, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Now let's start elision. In American English, the elision of T in next day also occurs. but it is less frequent and usually sounds more like and soft assimilation. Next day, next day. In British English, more frequently eliminates the T in final position. Next day, next day. Similar. Now let's start assimilation, fusion of sounds. Consonants change depending on the context. The first in American English, 10 boys, 10 boys. In American English, very similar. In British English, 10 boys, 10 boys. In British English, N is similar to M. Now let's start spoken example sentences. A. Words. In American English, better, better. In British English, better, better. In American English, water, water. In British English, water, water. In American English, car, car. In British English, car, car, car. In American English, dance, dance. In British English, dance, dance, dance. B. Phrases. In American English, I need a glass of water. I need a glass of water. In British English, I need a glass of water. I need a glass of water. Now let's start complete sentences. In American English, the car is parked near the dance studio. In British English, the car is parked near the dance studio. Final comparison table. The fields. In American English, aluminum, aluminum. In British English, aluminium, aluminium. In American English syllable, aluminum, aluminum. In British English, aluminium, aluminium. The second. In American English, water, water. In British English, water, water. In American English syllable, water, water. In British English, water, water. The third. In American English, better, better. In British English, better, better. In American English syllable, better, better. In British English, better, better. The fourth. In American English, car, car. In British English, car, car. In American English syllable, car, car. In British English, car, car. Personal conclusion. Comparing these dialects helped me understand how accent shape meaning, rhythm, and clarity in English. Now I can identify vowel shifts, consonants, changes, and intonation. Parents much more easily, and honestly, after hearing so many accents, I starting to wonder if English is one language or very polite family of cousins. Thank you. See you next time.